In this fast forward video, I will show you how to change computer sleep after time on Windows 11. First, we want to open search and search for the control panel. Make sure you have view by small icons and find power options. Now on the left, click on change when the computer sleeps. Now you can see turn off the display time on battery or plugged in, and also put the computer to sleep. I got it set after 20 minutes. You can change it, for example 10 minutes. So my computer will turn off the display after 10 minutes and go to sleep after 20 minutes. Make sure you save changes. Second way to do it is to open settings, right click the Windows Start button, settings. Now on the left go to system, power and battery, and here screen and sleep. And here you can change turn off my screen on battery or when it's plugged in. It's the same like in control panel. I hope you find it helpful, guys. See ya next time.